Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is National Education Day.
ममता कतुए उठा ले तेरी रचना करे अंत होना हम चले एक हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना मन का विश्वास
Today, that is November 11, is celebrated as National Education Day every year in the country. This day marks the birth anniversary of the country's first education minister, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. This day is being celebrated every year in the country since 2008. Shri Azad played an important role in shaping the education system of the country. During his tenure, UGC, AICTE, Kharagpur Institute of Higher Education, University Education Commission and Secondary Education Commission were established in the country. He also contributed to the establishment of educational institutions like Jamia Millia Islamia and IIT Kharagpur. Now information about Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. His full name was Abul Kalam Ghulam Muhyiddin. He was born on November 11, 1888 in Makkah. His father was a Bengali Muslim of Afghan origin and mother of Arab origin. His family settled in Calcutta in 1890. Azad was a renowned scholar and poet as well as well-versed in many languages. In the year 1912, he published the Urdu weekly magazine Al-Hilal. This magazine played an important role in increasing Hindu-Muslim unity but was banned in the year 1914. After this, he started a weekly called Al-Balag, which was banned in 1916 and he was expelled from Calcutta. In the year 1923, he was elected the president of the special session of the Congress in Delhi. He again became the president of Congress in 1940 for Ramgarh session and remained in this post till 1946. From 1947 to 1958, he was the first education minister of independent India. He died on February 22, 1958. In 1992, he was posthumously awarded the country's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna.